Hi guys, good morning. The next dish I'm gonna be cooking and I'm gonna be showing you guys is the chicken adobo, which is I marinated it this morning, so it's gonna be marinating for at least 8 hours. Then I'll go back home later around 6:30 in the evening. Then I'll show you how I cook chicken adobo. And say hi to Riley. That's my puppy. Okay, see you guys later. Hi guys, so I'm back and now I'm gonna show you how to cook chicken adobo. Let's start cooking. Here are the ingredients for the chicken adobo. Marinate chicken thighs with soy sauce, white vinegar, whole peppercorns, half a cup of water, oyster sauce, garlic, and bay leaves for 4 to 8 hours. Take out the chicken thighs from the marinade and place it in the pan. Add the liquid marinade, bring it to a boil and let it simmer for 40 minutes, then flip the chicken thighs halfway. Then add the powdered bouillon. Remove the lid and let the sauce thicken for another 5 to 10 minutes. Our chicken adobo is done. It's time to eat.